show. Give it up for my incredible band, y'all. I just had like a lot of caffeine, and I'm just running hot, is what's happening right now. Good luck, Jack and Jason and Danielle. That was Learn to Fly, though, by the Foo Fighters. I love the Foo Fighters. A few years ago, we actually had Dave Grohl on the show, and we talked about that song. Now, I thought it, had all this deep meaning, and he was like, no, I really just wanted to become a pilot. I'm still calling BS. You're trying to be funny, man, but it's like such a deep song. It's such a cool song. He's poetic. Just lean into it, Dave. You could be a pilot and a poet. What?